When the moon comes up and the stars shine bright, the kitties get ready to dance all night. Whiskers twitch and tails swing free. They're the coolest dancers you'll ever see. Hop party, jump around, tiny paws tapping on the ground. From Florida waves to rocky peaks, cats dance happy 7 days a week. Did you know their jumps so high come from muscles built to fly? Every spin is skill and play. That's how cats learn every